Is your 5th-gen 4Runner's alarm going off randomly? The most common culprits are the hood tailgate switches, key fob, and battery. Let's examine the alarm system components. First, inspect the hood and tailgate switches for dirt, corrosion, or damage. These switches signal the body control module when the hood or tailgate is opened. Use a multimeter to test the switch resistance. It should be near 0 ohms when closed. Next, check your key fob battery. A weak CR2032 battery can cause synchronization issues. Try replacing the battery and reprogram the fob by cycling the ignition and pressing the lock-unlock buttons. Finally, ensure your 4Runner's battery is healthy and holding a charge above 12.4 volts. Low voltage can lead to erratic BCM behavior and false alarms. If these steps don't resolve the issue, you may have a faulty BCM or require a firmware update. When basic checks don't resolve the alarm issue, move to advanced DIY fixes. Consider aftermarket hood and tailgate switches. Many owners report better performance from brands like Dorman or Standard Motor products compared to OEM parts, especially in off-road conditions. If you suspect a body control module issue, check for fault codes using an OBD2 scanner. Code B1000 often indicates BCM failure. A BCM firmware update, as recommended by Toyota TSB EG093-23, can resolve intermittent alarm triggers. Dealerships can perform this update, or you can attempt a DIY reset using online guides. For high-mileage vehicles, a full BCM replacement might be necessary, costing $500 to $800. Remember to always check your work after any repair by monitoring the alarm system for recurrence. If problems persist, seek professional diagnosis to prevent further issues and potential battery drain.